Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your face look brighter with CapCut effect. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and for example, I'm going to make this girl's face look brighter. So first of all guys, we can click on the video and we have to scroll all the way to the right until we find the retouch option. This one, click on retouch and click on face. Okay, and here you can scroll all the way to the right again until you find the brighten effect, and you can go right to make your face look brighter. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to click on this check mark, and this is the result. And I'm going to show you the before after. I'm going to undo the edit. This is before I apply the brighten effect, and this is after I applied the brighten effect. You can see the difference. Alright guys, and that's how we can make our face look brighter with CapCut effect. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.